So when you see brackets in a calculation, you need to do what's in the brackets first. So with 2 times 35, we have 70, and we're adding that to 60 divided by 3, which is 20. So our answer is 90. Now here, the brackets weren't really needed in the question because we always multiply and divide before we add and subtract. But let's look at this question. Here, again, we can work out what's in the brackets first. So with 71 plus 129, we might recognise that 71 and 29 make a number bond to 100, so we have 200. And now 77 minus 27 is 50. So what is 200 times 50? Our answer is 10,000, because 2 times 5 is 10, and then if we have 3 end zeros in the multiplication, we need 3 end zeros in the answer. Now here, you can see the brackets are important. If we didn't have brackets, we'd have to do 129 times 77 first, because we always multiply and divide before we add and subtract. So without the brackets, we wouldn't get 10,000 as our answer. So now pause the video and see if you can answer this question. 385 plus 65 is 450, and 47 plus 43 is 90. So our answer is 5. And now pause the video and try this one. 60 times 60 is 3,600, because 6 times 6 is 36, and then we need 2 end zeros. And 200 divided by 5 is 400, because 20 divided by 5 is 4, and then again we need 2 end zeros. So our answer is 4,000.